I didn't have a breakthrough. I just got incredibly tired of feeling so stuck in my own life. So I made one very small decision at the time. I decided to do something just for myself and to learn a skill. And somehow that decision changed everything for me. This video is purely made as a result of a debate I had with my 18-year-old son, a non-believer, computer savvy, brand new generation, and it's hard to convince. I need some help, so please let me know what you think in the comments below. Am I right, or the new generation is right? So the question overall comes down to, can sewing actually save your life? There was a time in my life where everything looked fine on the outside, but the inside was just a huge empty void full of cleaning products, baby food, baby clothes, groceries are done, the fridge is full, the laundry is done. Every day it felt the same. I wake up, I go through the motions, I try to stay busy as a mother of two and a wife. But no matter what I did, it just felt that it wasn't enough for me to shine and be happy. I wasn't building anything. I wasn't growing. I was just existing in my own house, in my kids' life, and in my husband's life. I am pretty sure I was making a difference, but I wasn't making the difference that I want to make and for myself as well. Have you ever felt that way? I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one, or I hope I'm not the only one. Let me know. So it's like your life, it's moving, but you are not actually moving forward with it. I had no direction. I had no excitement, no real purpose. And the worst part is that I knew that I was capable of more. And one day I had a moment of honesty with myself. I couldn't keep living like that, and I need a plan. I didn't know it's going to be a perfect plan at the time. I just needed a plan to follow. I didn't want to have everything figured out, but somehow I knew it's going to make me feel so much better by making just a change. So desperately, I knew I needed a change and I needed a start. I also needed something that would give my days meaning, add value to my life, and not only mine, and help me build a future that I could actually be proud of. So I made a decision, a small one at the time, but never knew how powerful that was. And I decided to learn a skill. And I wanted to do something really real and something that could actually grow and has a lot of layers. And for some unknown reason, I was keep coming back to sewing. And I didn't know I would be good at it. I didn't know if that would actually lead anywhere, but I just knew one thing. I needed to start for my own sanity. The first time I tried was okay because it was something really simple. Next thing was absolutely horrific. I couldn't even look at it. My stitches were uneven. So I put it on a side for a while. I got really discouraged. I didn't think that that's for me. I supposed to start. And I put the sewing machine away in a cupboard and I let it be. A couple of years I got distracted with something else and something unexpected happened. My mind went quiet and I stopped overthinking things. I had zero anxiety and I just all of a sudden started to focus on one thing alone, and that was, how about if I go back to sewing and this time I have a better approach, I try harder and I do better. So I thread my sewing machine, I pulled through my mistakes, I cried, I made cups and cups of coffee, and I did all that on repeat over and over again. And somehow, throughout all those mistakes I was making and all the failure and all the fabric that I was cutting wrong and all the wrong stitches, I felt something that I wasn't feeling for a very long time. I felt joy, excitement, and I also felt somehow peace because I knew I found something that I'm willing to sweat, that I was motivated enough to want to do it, and that I was unstoppable. It wasn't an actual big transformation as you would think, but it was enough to make me come back the next day, try over and over again, make more mistakes, and learn more new things. And truly, this is how I started. One small action, and I repeat it daily, and I never give up. I started with simplest things: fix a tear, sewing a button, practicing straight lines over and over and over again. And I still practice basic things or specific things that I don't use a lot, every single time it felt like a shift. I wasn't just passing time anymore. I was building something. So slowly that feeling became addictive for me. And this is how I generally feel about sewing. I do have a passion about it because I'm truly addicted to this skill, to this profession, to this business, whether it's creating new things, whether it's making alterations, or whether it's creating a brand new line, or making kids clothing, making accessories, working with home finishes. Everything is just so creative and it's feeding my addiction every single day. So I stopped seeing myself as someone who was lost and started seeing myself as someone who was learning and creating something for herself. Someone who was growing, someone who was capable of things. And that shift changed everything for me, gave me so much power and energy and motivation to keep going. So sewing wasn't really just a hobby. It actually became a way for me to focus my mind. I also build real skills as I go. I never stop learning. I always want to learn something new. I always add a little gadget to my collection. And the more I learn, the more my life started to change. And I always felt like the more I fail, the more I progress. I don't know if that really makes sense to you. I hope it does. By moving forward, I wasn't stuck anymore. I wasn't lost anymore. And I started building something step by step, the way I wanted, in my own pace and on my own terms. So sewing didn't just teach me how to make clothes. It taught me something much deeper, that I wasn't stuck, that I'm able to build, and that I didn't have to have everything figured out. I just needed to start and motivate myself to get out of my comfort zone and do something that I have never done before, but would be something that would create something for my future. And it's just that small, right? You just start, and that's a consistent action that completely change the course of your life, sometimes give you something so unexpected. So now here is the bottom line. You don't need a life-changing moment to change your life. You just need to take that decision that you need to change something, even small. Decision to stop staying the same. The fact that I took this decision later in life gave me more appreciation for it. I just know that my decision was the best that I could have made back in the day for myself. So can sewing save your life? I would let you answer that for yourself. Can give you direction, can give you purpose, can give you growth, can get you out of a bad place when you need a change the most. If you've been feeling stuck, this could be your sign, right? You don't need to have it all figured out. Just pick something and just start. Thank you very much for being here and listening to my little life story. Thank you for being here. I'd love to hear your story. Let me know in the comments. As usual, I link down below a lot of resources for you, online fabric stores that I work with, and so much more. Take care. Thank you for being here. Goodbye.